shit. Oh shit. Damn, bro, I shot Alfred fat.
Okay.
I got me shooting Alfred. Watch out, he's straight ahead.
Ooh.
There's a guy in the corner. See him?